Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's start an online session of Standard 9th Science in the lesson Motion. Today we will see what is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. We have seen in the previous session of the motion that each and every object is in motion. And what is motion? What is the difference between distance and displacement? Today we will see the uniform and non-uniform motion. Now consider an object moving along a straight line. Let it travel 5 meters in the first second. Means in 1 second that object moves 5 meters. And then in the second second the same object moves 5 more. 5 meters in the third second and 5 meters in again the fourth second. Means for each interval of second the objects moves the same distance as 5 meters. Means object covers 5 meters in each second. As the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, means time is also same and the distance covered in that time is also same. So this type of distance, this type of motion in which the same equal interval of time the objects cover equal distance is known as uniform motion. Now can you guess what is non-uniform motion? Yes, when the object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, that type of motion is called the non-uniform motion. The time interval in this motion should be small. In our day-to-day life, we come across many motions where objects cover unequal distance in equal interval of time. For example, when a car is moving crowded street or a person is jogging in the park, then it is not necessary that the car covers the same distance in same minute, hours or maybe seconds, but when it comes, that type of motion is called the uniform motion. So these are some instances which shows the non-uniform motion. So what is uniform motion? Uniform motion means the distance covered by the object in equal interval of time, and non-uniform motion the unequal distance covered by the equal interval of time. That is the non-uniform motion. See here, the picture shows the example of uniform motion. The boy is walking and the body covered equal distance from A to B, then B to C and then C to D in equal interval of time, and therefore this motion is called the uniform motion. See here, in 0 meter to 4 meter distance covered 4 meter in 2 seconds. Then next 4 meter distance covered is again in 2 seconds. And then next 4 meter distance, now that is total 12 meter distance, is again covered in 2 seconds. And therefore here the distance covered and time taken to cover that distance in each 3 interval is same, and therefore this motion is called the uniform motion. These are the examples of non-uniform motion. A car moving with non-uniform speed means on the road the car covers some distance, but the time taken to cover the distance is not equal after every span of time. Means whether it is after 5 minutes or whether it is after 10 minutes. If in 5 minutes car covers the distance of 2 km and in the next 5 minutes the same car covers the distance of 1 km, then that type of motion is not the uniform motion, it is called non-uniform motion. Now a man riding a bike on a rough mountain. Many obstacles are there on the rough mountain. So it is not possible to ride a bike with the same speed on the total span of traveling in. Therefore, it is the non-uniform motion. So see here two different examples which shows uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Equal distance in same time interval means in 5 minutes from 10 kilometer to 20 kilometer, and then in next 5 minutes from 20 to 30 kilometer means again in the 5 minutes the distance covered by the object is 10 kilometer. Then next 5 minutes means now it is 30 kilometer to 40 kilometer. The distance covered is again 10 kilometer. Means after every interval of 5 minutes the distance covered by the car or object is same as 10 kilometer, means it is the uniform motion. See the motion of the clock. The clock after every 1 hour comes at the 12, means its motion and the distance travel and time taken to travel that distance is same, and therefore the motion of the clock is known as the uniform motion. Similarly, the motion of the earth around the sun. See the distance traveled by the earth and the time taken by the earth to rotate around the sun is same, and therefore its motion is called the uniform motion. Now see the example of non-uniform motion. Here the first 10 kilometer to 35 kilometer means total distance covered is 25 kilometer, and that 25 kilometer is covered in 10 minutes. Now in the next 10 minutes the distance covered is only 5 kilometer, not 25 kilometers. So though the time intervals are 10 minutes, but the distance covered in both the time interval is different, and therefore different distances in same time interval, it's a non-uniform motion. And motion of a bouncing ball, if you will bounce the ball, after some time if you stop kicking the ball comes at the rest, means its motion decreases. See the vehicles moving in the crowd, it is not possible for that vehicle to go with the uniform motion. So dear students, today we have learnt about the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion means distance covered in equal interval of time, equal distance covered in equal interval of time, and non-uniform motion means in equal interval of time but distance covered is different. So this is about uniform and non-uniform motion. So you have to define it. Then the table shows the motion of the two objects A and B. You have to identify which body, which object moves with uniform velocity, uniform motion, and when is non-uniform motion. So hope you understand today's topic, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Now apply your understanding here to solve the assignment. Thank you. Have a nice day.